Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I have a haul for you guys. Let me start with what I found today at Dollar Tree. So they were putting out some Christmas stuff and I found these gnomes and their ornaments and they were so cute. Do you see this little guy? Adorable. So he's skiing. And they had different ones. I just picked up this one. I just thought he was so cute. And the Halloween that I found, I just found some socks that I wanted. I found this one with a unicorn pumpkin with candies. Really cute. And then I found this one that says Witch's Brew. And then I found this one with the sugar skulls. And this one must be really popular. It was the last one. And then the other Christmas stuff that I found, which I grabbed right away because these are gonna go really quick. I found the wood Santas, the Christmas trees, some snowmen, and some snowflakes. And then I found these and I thought these were really cute. They're stickers, wood stickers. So that's all I grabbed there. And then I headed to Michael's and they had 30% off their Halloween stuff. And I wasn't gonna do Halloween, but it's cute. They're cute stuff. So I grabbed this stamp set. I grabbed these little boos stickers. I grabbed this twine. I loved the black and gray. And this color, I don't have like these colors, so. And then they had their paper buy one get one half off for recollections. So I got this glitter one and these pastels and they're so pretty. Really pretty. And then I found them in metallics. That chocolate brown is so pretty. And then the last thing I got there was a candle, and they had these for $8.99. And this smells so good. It's called Toasted Pumpkin Seeds. And it's a 3-wick candle. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, it smells so good. And it's so pretty. So that'll be in my craft room. And I went to Joann the other day. And they have their paper open stock 60% off. So I got this Basil Mylar Pearl. Oops, I'm dropping stuff. Isn't that pretty? I just got one of those. And then I got some of this. And this one is Golden by Coordinations. I got a few of those. And I had sunflowers in mind for these. This is Basil Lemonade. And I got a few of those. And then I got Banana Split by Basil. And then I found these glitter ones. Aren't these cute? So I got 2 each of these. So they had them in Elegance. It's pretty pink. Stiletto. Blue Diamonds. Oscar. I think this is Oscar. Yeah, Oscar. Runway. Rodeo Drive. Red Carpet. And Black Tie. And that was all the paper that I got. And me and Tina were looking at our Jingle Bells, and she said I needed to get me a container to put mine in, so I did. They had them for $3.99, and then I had a 50% off coupon, so I got one of these containers. It was in the jewelry section, and so now all of my Jingle Bells are organized for Christmas. So there we go. And I also picked up this little sequin Halloween that they had for half off. I thought it was cute. Has little clouds in there with stars on it. And that was all I got from there. Then on eBay, I have bidded on this Simple Sayings 2 by Jaded Blossom, and it was brand new, and I got it for $7. So nice sentiments to add to my stash. And then I placed an order with Peachy Keen. I got the Jill's Bigger Favorites. Guys, when I got this, I was like, holy cow. I did not realize how big they are. Do y'all see that? They're humongous. So I got those. So cute. Then I got the Peachy Keen Stamps Gingerbread Dolls for Sherry. This one has been retired. You can no longer get this one. The other one is still available. Then I got Jill's Favorite Stamp Set, and this one is still available. And they look like that. And then I got the Stamp and Die Set Faceless Penguin Delight Stamp Set, and it comes with dies. And this one is still available. So cute. I love, look at the gingerbread he's been eating. And then the last thing, oh wait, not the last thing. I did this order through Peachy Cheap. I've been wanting this set, and when I saw it, I grabbed it. So it's the Hey Pumpkin. So you got this 6x8 paper pad, and I haven't opened it yet. I'll just do like a little flip like this. It's single-sided, and it has that foiling. It's really cute. Isn't that cute? Boo to you. Look at the cats. then it came with the washi tape. And then it came with these ghosts. And then it came with the ephemera. So I grabbed that from Peachy Cheap. And then the last thing I did was I ordered from HSN. And I got the mini cinch. And I cannot wait to play with it. And I have an idea. Once I do, I'll tell you about it. So I got the mini cinch, and that came with the wire clippers, the needle nose wire clippers, a set of binding wires in black, and then it came with 2 sets of designer boards. And 8.5 by 11 you get 2, and then you get 2 of the 8 by 8. And then, knocking everything down, let me move that over. And then I also purchased separately this cinch binding wires, the variety pack, because I wanted the multiple colors. So you get, I think it's 16. Yeah, you get 16 pieces of different colors. It doesn't show them all at the front. They're behind. But you get 16 different colors. Right here you can see. So that is my haul. And I thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye.